Pâte à choux or Choux Pastry provides the foundation for many delicious pastries such as Eclair, the recipe of today. Place 95 grams of water and 95 grams of milk, half a teaspoon of sugar and quarter a teaspoon of salt, 87 grams of unsalted butter, and bring to a simmer. Turn the heat down to low, add the flour all at once and begin stirring with a flat wooden spoon. The dough will form a mass and start pulling away from the sides of the pan. Stir vigorously without stopping for 4 to 5 minutes. The dough will darken a bit in color and slightly dry out. Immediately transfer the dough into a stand mixer. With the mixer on medium-low speed, add 3 eggs, one at a time, mixing well between each addition. Immediately pipe the dough according to your desired shape, and as soon as it is piped, bake it for 30 minutes in a 190 degrees Celsius oven or 375 degrees Fahrenheit till it is browned. Prepare the pastry cream by heating the milk in a saucepan. While the milk is heating, add 4 egg yolks in a bowl and whisk with the sugar and 2 tablespoons of starch. Add the salt and slowly drizzle the hot milk into the yolk mixture while continuing to whisk. Once all the milk has been added, transfer the mixture back to the saucepan and place over medium heat, whisking constantly for 5 minutes, whisking the entire time. In a double boiler, add 140 grams of chocolate with 2/3 of a cup of cream, 2 tablespoons of glucose or white corn syrup. Heat till the chocolate is well melted. Fill the baked pastry with the pastry cream, then dip it in chocolate and enjoy these delicious eclairs, and see you next time with a new video.